Alright, boys and girls and boys, and welcome to Who Gordon Guitar. Maggie LINDEMANN, I think it's the first time she's here on Gordon Guitar. I heard songs from her before, but yeah, first time here. CAGES. So if you like punk, that's a song for you. So we're gonna look at this song. We need to start with the capo here set on the 3rd fret. So with that, we're gonna start the song and tutorial. We have 5 chords to handle, mainly 4. We have just 5th chord just thrown in a bridge part. Otherwise, it's basically a 4-chord song. So let's start with the D. We have the first there, open D string, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. The next chord is B minor. So it's a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So 5 strings from bottom here and up on the 2nd fret. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have A next. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And finally we have this last chord, F sharp minor. So it's a bar here on the 2nd fret, all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. So there you have it. Alright, 5 chords, D, B minor, A, G, and F sharp minor. We have the first chord D here, and we need to look at the strumming pattern. It's pretty long. So we're gonna play this is 1 round. Alright. So it will be down, down, clap. We can stop there. So down, down, clap. Alright. Then comes down, up, down, clap. So down, up, down, clap. So we can connect these 2 parts. It will be down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap. And then you just end with a down, up. Like this. So pretty long. All in all, it will be down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. That's 1 round. So with D, a couple of rounds in a context, it sounds like this. Down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up, down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. Yeah, but it's boring with D all the time, so we're gonna make some changes here, and that's why we're gonna start with the first verse. We have D for 2 rounds, so then B minor 1 and A1. That is 1 chord progression round. It will play that for 2 rounds. So let's go for the 2nd round. Play in the same way, D2, B minor 1, and A1. Now we're suddenly at the first pre-chorus. Don't ask if I'm okay. That's where we are in the lyrics. I'm okay, by the way, but yeah, that's where we are. So we're gonna play G, and now it's just 4 downs, and all these chords here in the pre-chorus is just about downs. So G, 4 downs, then A, 3 downs, and a short break. Then you play G4, and A, just 1 down and a long break. So you just go back and forth, G and A, G, A. So G, 4, A, 3. Short pause. And then G4, A1. Big pause. And that big pause takes us to the chorus. Okay, so we're gonna start with D again. Now we will have the strumming pattern just down, up, down, up. That is one round, down, up, down, up. And try to emphasize the second down. So get this rhythm. And you get that rhythm in the way that you're gonna emphasize the second down. You play a full downstroke on the actual chord. So in this case, the D. The other downs and ups, you just go shorter downs and ups like this. So you're just chewing a little bit more on the bass strings or so. And the down, the second down, you go full down. So like that. All right. So with that, you're gonna play the chord progression D, G, B minor, and back to G. That is one chord progression round. You're gonna play 4 strumming rounds per chord. So D4, G4, B minor 4, and G4 again. That's the first chord progression round with this strumming. We will stay, make a short break. I'm just gonna take you through this chord progression. So it goes like this. G, B minor, and back to G. That's the first chord progression round. The second round, you're gonna go back to the same strumming you used in the verse. So that means the down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. You're gonna play 1 strumming round per chord. Same chord progression as you just play, but with this new strumming pattern. So that would be like this. Yeah, and that is the chorus. So just to summarize this part, the chord progression will be D, G, B minor, and G. You're gonna play that for 2 chord progression rounds. The first round will be down, up, which is the new first strumming pattern you're gonna use. You're gonna play 4 strumming rounds per chord. And on the second chord progression round, you're gonna go back to the verse strumming and play 1 round per chord there, same chords. And yeah, we're gonna go on here to the second verse, played in the same way as the first one. It's only 1 round instead of 2, so it's half as long as the first verse. Otherwise, played in the same way. The second pre-chorus, exactly the same as the first one. And the same goes with the second chorus. Just playing the same way you just learned this chorus. That takes us to the bridge part. In the lyrics, they say, I'm gone crazy. Yeah. So this is just about downs here. So we're gonna go with B minor 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then G8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then back to B minor 8. Then G8. And now is where you're gonna use the F sharp minor, the first and only time here. You're gonna play the F sharp minor 3 downs, and then you quickly change to G and play 5 downs. So together they will be 8 again. So like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so you got that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So shift between F sharp minor to the G, and they together make up for 8 downs. And then you're gonna end with A, 8 downs. Yeah, so just to summarize this bridge part, it was all about downs. You're gonna play B minor 8, G8, B minor 8, G8, then F sharp minor 3, G5, and then A8. And then follows the final third chorus, and that is played in the same way as the previous courses. Nothing changes, and that wraps it up for Maggie Lindemann's Cages. So give it a try, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, toodaloo and play tuned.